A friendly reminder na huwag gawing mundo ang alam mo na tao lang.
It's your tita, Rai. Char. An advice from a tita. Char. Yun nga, just a friendly reminder na huwag mong gawing mundo yung alam mo na tao lang. Well, yun kasi yung pagkakamali ko as an unhealed person, as traumatized person. Well, dami kong pagkakamali sa previous relationships ko, pero yun yung gusto kong i-share sa bawat isa sa inyo kasi grabe. Nagawa ko yun. Pero grabe yung love ko dun ha. I admit that. I love that person. Pero, wow. Just a simple lesson. Huwag gawing mundo ang alam mo na tao lang. Learn to be happy on your own. Learn to invest time with yourself. Be happy with your own company. I remember a quote na sinabi doon, fill your own cup and let them enjoy the overflow. Because masaya ka sa sarili mo, madadamay na lang sila dahil masaya ka sa sarili mo. Pero not to the point na bibigay mo lahat. Because you still have the individuality. And most of all, mag-heal ka. Mag-heal tayo bago tayo sumabak ulit sa panibagong relationship. Hindi yung ginagawa mong mundo yung alam mo na tao lang.